This chicken pesto gnocchi is a real crowd pleaser. It's a timeless and easy recipe that bears all hallmarks of good Italian cooking. And this recipe also marries together simple ingredients to create a final result that's bursting with flavor. Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. If you are new here, I would like to say welcome. And if you are not new here, welcome back to our channel. So guys, as the name suggests, this pesto gnocchi is absolutely delicious. It is simple to make, and also you can make it in under 1 hour. It's a recipe that you can make anytime during the week, but it's also prepared with chicken breast, making it very comforting but also not too heavy. It's ideal for all seasons, and also it has easy to find ingredients. This tasty dish is one you'll definitely want to add to your recipe repertoire, as you can make your own gnocchi, but for this recipe and also for the purpose of convenience, we are using store-bought gnocchi. So guys, as you can see, I have cut the chicken breast in small cubes. Be sure to leave them at least 1 inch to 1.5 inch. Go ahead and season it with salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix well to combine and allow it to marinate. Now, as your chicken is marinating, you'll also want to begin your pesto sauce. For this, I'm using pine nuts. Guys, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com, and I'm also showing step-by-step photo guide on how to make this recipe with ease. Now, if you are not familiar with pine nuts, there are actually edible seeds of pines, and they taste great in salads, soups, and even in pesto. I definitely recommend that you toast them lightly for optimum flavor. And also, pine nuts can definitely increase your energy level because they are high in protein, iron, and magnesium. So moving along to the pesto, we are adding in fresh basil, and we're also adding in juice from 1 lemon. Add in 2 cloves garlic, then add in your salt and pepper. After adding the ground black pepper, go ahead and add the roasted pine nuts. After you add the pine nuts, add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. The list of ingredients will also be listed in the description box below. Next, use a food processor to blend the ingredients together. Be sure that you are blending it well into a pasty solution. Once you're done, your sauce should be nice and thick and creamy. So go ahead and set it aside, and let's move on to cooking the chicken breast. In a large skillet, go ahead and heat up 1/4 cup of olive oil. Once the oil has heated up, go ahead and add your chicken. I recommend that you cook the chicken in small batches. That way, all of the pieces have a chance to cook properly. So once you are done, go ahead and remove your chicken and set it aside. To avoid a gnocchi overflow with oil, I recommend that you remove some of the oil and leaving behind about a tablespoon of oil. So when you are done, in the same skillet, go ahead and add your grape tomatoes. Or you can use cherry tomatoes if that's what you have on hand. Cook your tomatoes until they start to get that golden color on all sides. When you're done, go ahead and remove it and set it aside. In the same skillet, go ahead and add 2 pounds of potato gnocchi. And if you want to know exactly where to get the gnocchi, you can get it at your local grocery store in the pasta section. Be sure to occasionally stir it so that way it doesn't stick to the bottom of the skillet. Next, go ahead and bring it to a boil so that the gnocchi can cook properly. Reduce the heat to medium-low, then go ahead and cook your gnocchi for about 2 to 3 minutes. And don't forget, continue to stir so that way it doesn't stick to the bottom of the skillet. Next, add in the chicken cubes and mix well to combine. Then add in your grape or cherry tomatoes. So go ahead and stir to mix well. So once you've done stirring everything, and now it's time to add the star of the show, which is your homemade pesto sauce. At this time, you also want to reduce the heat to low because now you're just making sure that all of the ingredients are well incorporated. So go ahead and stir lightly without breaking the gnocchi apart. Allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes and remove it from the heat. And now your dish is complete, and you can go ahead and serve it with fresh Parmesan cheese or grated Parmesan cheese and enjoy. Guys, as always, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. And don't forget, we are also showing you how to make it with ease with step-by-step photo guide. Thank you again for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And we will see you on the next video. Cheers.